Get ready for a canned pineapple treat that's heavenly. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. If you've been craving a treat that's both heavenly and healthy, look no further. Heavenly Health Gems from 1935's A Yearful of Canned Pineapple Treats are today's special. But first, speaking of pineapples, let's use some pineapple juice in a lovely libation. Today we're featuring the Vanda Daiquiri from 1965's Pacifica House Hawaii Cookbook. To make this little bit of liquid heaven, all you do is combine 1½ ounces of light rum, 1/2 ounce dark Jamaican rum, a dash of simple syrup, 1 ounce of pineapple juice, and 1/2 ounce fresh lemon juice in a blender with ice. Serve in a saucer glass and float a Vanda orchid on top if you have one. That's better! Baking time! A Yearful of Canned Pineapple Treats is full of recipes that are simple enough to fit in a tiny pamphlet and inexpensive to make, since it was published in the midst of the Great Depression. To make these little bits of exotic splendor, all you do is beat 1/2 cup of firmly packed brown sugar and 2 eggs. Add 4 tablespoons melted butter or shortening, then add 1 cup of crushed pineapple packed in heavy syrup. Add 2 cups of flour that have been sifted with 4 teaspoons baking powder and 2 teaspoons salt. Then add 2 cups of bran or wheat germ and combine until dry ingredients are moistened. Fill greased mini muffin cups or roll into 1½ inch balls and bake at 400 degrees for 12 minutes or until lightly browned. They're perfect for tropical patio parties, just in time for summer. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen, and an extra special thank you to our Patreon patrons. Be sure to join us Monday for a visit from Cousin Glendora, and Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern for another Liquored Up live broadcast. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.